Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and this is the place where we can enter secret codes. So let me show you how it works. So once you've got the code, smoothly enter it, for example *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got all details regarding this code, which is device information. So *#06# is for device info, where you can find both email numbers and serial number. Let me show you another code, which is *##, 225 ###. And here you've got calendar info. As you can see, this one is empty. However, if you do have some accounts added like Google Calendar, iOS Calendar, Live Calendar, or whatever, all info from all those calendars will be displayed here. You will not forget about any upcoming event. Let me go back. And another code that you can use here is *##, 426 *##. And here you've got FCM Diagnostic Mode, in which you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, tap on more icon and select Advanced View. So this is it, that will be all. Use codes however you like and how many times you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.